So let's see if we can actually tell the difference in these lights. If you look there, you can see the right or the left light. That's the new one. And dispersed over here is the right side. Now, let's see that a little better. Okay. So right there is the left headlight, and right there is the right one. So I think what we'll do actually, because that actually makes a good backdrop for seeing. I was gonna go down the driveway and get a shot going down the driveway, but I think being able to see it on the fence makes it where we can see a little better. So I'm gonna go block off each side of the headlight. Block off the right side, and then we'll block off the left side, and you'll be able to see the difference between the two. Alright, so that's blocked off to where we're only looking at the stock headlight. That's what it looks like from in the car. I say stock, it's nothing special bulb. It's just the original equipment, probably replacement, not a super bright halogen or anything, just a standard. And then let's go look at the left. We'll block off the right side now. See, there's quite a bit of difference. That's quite a bit brighter. I'll take some pictures and post them right after this. And here's the difference head on. And they're not as blinding bright as I thought they would be. And that's good. I don't want to be that guy, you know, that's you know, everybody thinks you got your brights on. They are definitely brighter than the stock, but they're not so bright that they're blinding to oncoming traffic. So I think that's a good balance, a good upgrade, but not being too bright. And last. Definitely see a bigger difference with the LED bulb covered up. You know, it definitely gets a whole lot dimmer than it does covering up the halogen bulb. So let's I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, and then I'll swap the other bulb out. Should be a similar process to the driver's side. We'll get the passenger one swapped in, but I like these. As long as they hold up, I think they're a good upgrade. So yeah. Just a quick look what it looks like with the LED headlights. They light up really well. Let's back up over here. We'll look at kind of the same view we had before, looking at the fence. And they're nice and bright. I like them. They drive great. I'm driving down the road with them. You can see well, and they don't seem like they're super blinding. I mean, they're bright, but they're not. I don't think they're bright enough that they're going to be blinding oncoming drivers like some of them do. So I think that's a good balance between brightness and blinding. So I would say these, as long as they hold up, I'm very happy with these lights. They light up really well. It looks dimmer on the camera than they actually are. So anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below. I'll put a link in the description. I'll keep y'all updated on how well they hold up. And we'll do a video update after a while. maybe a 6-month review or something, and on how well they're holding up. Yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.